Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to replace the wheel hub assembly, wheel bearing assembly on a 1996 C4 Corvette. First things first, jack up the car so you have access to the wheel. Second, take the wheel off. Next, we're going to take the caliper off. And then we can take the rotor off. Now we have access to the axle nut. This has a cotter pin in it. Then we can remove our axle nut. And it looks like it's going to be slightly bigger than a T50. But if you go up to T55, which is right here, it just barely fits in there. So that probably would work, but these came out so easy, I'm just going to use the T50. There we go. That actually looks fairly good. Spins really good. It's even got grease on it from, I'm guessing, the last time it was done. But we're here, so we're going to do it again. That goes like that. Then we got the new one. Just like that. We're going to put some grease on it. And here in Utah, we don't have to worry about anti-seize. Back to this. After we put the rotor on, alright, now we need to put the axle nut back on. I can't find anything specific, but I think it's saying somewhere around 177, so that's what we're going to do. There's 177. And then we've got the little cover. And then we have that guy, what he's called. Cotter pin, that's what it is.